These YouTube automation channels generate thousands of dollars a day. They are completely faceless, so I decided to start an entirely AI-based YouTube channel using only free AI tools to generate content. In this video, I will show you the entire process of exactly what I did. First, let me show you an example of a channel, ChatGPT. The first video on their channel got more than 500,000 views. So, I wanted to test out a brand new channel that will only be generated with free AI tools. After doing some research, I chose the health and fitness niche. I asked ChatGPT to generate some fitness channel name ideas and it came up with the perfect name, Fitney. Now the next thing we need is a channel logo. I went to Leonardo AI image generator website and entered a prompt to generate a logo for my channel. Then I generated a channel banner using Canva. Finally, I asked ChatGPT to generate channel description. Now I need compelling video ideas and engaging scripts to bring my channel to life. I asked ChatGPT to generate 10 video ideas for my fitness channel. After selecting a video idea, the next step is to have a script. You can ask ChatGPT to generate an engaging script using the video idea. After generating the script, head over to the Steve AI website to animate your video. Firstly, you need to sign up for a new account. After successfully signing in, you will be taken to the dashboard. Click on Text to Animation and close any pop-ups. Copy the script you generated on ChatGPT and paste it here. Then write what your video is about. Leave the type of video as animation. If you want subtitles on your video, select Auto Highlight. You can also add voiceover to your animated video if you want. Click on Next and choose a template for your animated video. Wait a few seconds and the animated video will soon be available. Once the video is generated, you can make changes to it. Then click on Publish to start exporting the video. Next, change the video title and click on Download. Please wait patiently for 2-3 minutes for your video to export and then click on Download. Once the video is ready, head over to Canva to create a YouTube thumbnail. You can create high quality YouTube thumbnails and upload them to your YouTube channel. Ask ChatGPT to generate the title, tags and descriptions for your YouTube video. Upload the video and we are done. If you found this video inspiring and insightful, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe so you never miss an update.